welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my Eyescream beauty box for December 2023. We are closing out the end of the year. Wow. Went in a flash. So this is our monthly subscription box here from Eyescream Beauty. This box I love because they have so many indie brands that come in here, and it really gives you an opportunity to try out a lot of different brands that you generally wouldn't try. This box always has a pop of color, so if you're scared of color, I don't know, this might help you get through your growing pains with being scared of color. This box always has lots of color in it, which is what I love about this box. So it does push you to your comfort limits with trying out different colors, so that can be fun and interesting at the same time. So guys, this box is $25 a month. Generally comes with about 5 to 7 products inside. So most of the time guys, it's just straight up beauty in this box. So let's get into this thing and see what they sent us for the month of December. So guys, they gave us a little card here with the information about what's in our box. It says happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays to you. Okay, so let me stop playing around. So we got 5 products in here we're going to be going through, so let's get started. So the first thing that I see, we have a Zisa product. Zisa is a brand we see in here quite frequently. We've gotten quite a few things from Zisa. This one here, this is how this product looks. It has like a yeah, it sort of reminds you of like the art museum with the cupids shooting an angel, shooting an arrow or something on here. So this Zisa product, this is going to be a highlighter. It's called Angel Highlighter by Zisa. This is valued at $26, and it's the Zisa Cosmetics X, the British Museum. So yeah, I can kind of see that from the picture on the front. And let's just pop it out. Very nostalgic kind of looking picture. So this is how it comes out. I think that's really neat. And this is $26, and it says this highlighter is available in 2 finishes. It offers a stunning soft focused glow to your skin, and it's formulated with an ultra fine shimmer to give you a glowing luminous complexion, long lasting, and it's blendable, so that's good. So let's open this up. Okay, it does have a mirror, but they have a cover over it, so I don't have to worry about blinding you. But it does have like a little angel there shooting his bow, so that is so cute. So let me just take a swatch so you guys can see what this looks like. I have so many highlighters though, I'm almost Alright, so this is our swatch. I'm going to put that right here. Oh, this is a very soft finish. I probably could put this on my face. Hold on. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. And I'm just going to do this off freehand. So I don't know how it looks, but y'all going to tell me. Because I didn't put any highlighter on. So we're just going to have a little fun. Well, our fingers, and just do it this way. Let me see with a mirror, so I don't look crazy. Oh, that's fine. I think that's a really soft finish. I think you probably have to keep building this up. Okay, I see it there, and now we're gonna put it right here. Yeah, so I think that's a nice soft finish there. You probably have to keep building on it to get it more intense, but it seems soft. I like that. So let's check out our next item in this box, right? So guys, the next, we have Oprah. This is a mini lip set. I love this. This says Gone MIA. That is so neat. So this is the Oprah lip set, and you get like a bunch of mini lipsticks. So this is a bunch of minis. These are our colors, and I think these are some nice colors. What do you guys think? This is neat. So this is valued at $20. Yeah, for the mini lip set by Oprah, this is $20, and it says, why pick one color when you can pick have your pick out of 4. So I like that. They said this is the perfect set for the holidays. And look at these colors. Like, this is such a nice pink here. You can have fun with that. And I think these colors will look great on just about everybody. I like this color here. A nice warm color. And look at this other one here. This is nice too. I like these. This is nice. A nice nudie lip. That is nice. So this again is valued at $20. And you get all 4 of these guys here. So I think these are some nice colors. And I love Oprah products. So of course it's a win. So let's see what else is in this box. Oh wow. So the next thing we have another Zisa product. And this is Living Colorfully Liquid Eyeliner. And this, guys, is valued at, where is this one? This is valued at $24. And it says this one is cream white. So they said this is backed by popular demand. If you guys haven't really played around with the white, generally you could just line the inner parts of your waterline on the bottom line. And it makes your eyes pop. So a lot of people like these white eyeliners because you can make your look kind of really stand out with that white line on the waterline. I generally have not tried that, so maybe I'll have to try that with this and play around with it. But this is how it looks. I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready to use it, but I definitely want to try that too. So I'll have to try that one out. But they said this is backed by popular demand. They says you guys love this formula. And we're so excited that we had an opportunity to bring back this eyeliner. This white is perfect for the holiday season. Create a fun look or just use it to open and brighten your eyes, like I just said. So I'll have to try this because I don't know how that'll look on me, but I'll have to play with this. I really will. I'm gonna break out my shell and play with this white one because I didn't want to fool with that red eyeliner that they said last month. So I'm gonna try this one. And then we have, looks like, oh no, we got 2 more products in here to go. So we have 2 more items in here, guys. We have 2 lip pencils. I love a good lip pencil. So we have a lip liner duo by Bibella Cosmetics. This is valued at $6. This is a liquid lipsticks. Seriously? So they're not just liners. They're like, okay, they're liner pencils. Okay. So it says we have the color. What color is this? Look like a red, and it looks like a mauve kind of color here. These are valued, this duo, at $6. And it says liquid lipsticks can get a bit messy and hard to apply precisely. That is why we're giving you 2 giving you 2 lip liners to go with your lipstick set. So I think that's nice. So they were thinking ahead. So they gave us the lip liners to go with our lipstick set. That is nice. I like that idea. I haven't used this before, this brand. So that'll be the first time that I get to try this out. But yeah, $6. You can repurchase this. That's very inexpensive. So I like that. And it was thought of well to go with the lipsticks. I really like that. Alright, so we're down to our last product, y'all. We got an eyeshadow palette, which I really love about this company, that they always send an eyeshadow palette. This is Hearth is the name of the palette. It's by Chantico Beauty. We have seen them in this box before, and I did like the Chantico Beauty eyeshadow palette we had before. I think we've had them at least 2 or 3 times before in the box. Let me take this out. This is what it looked like before I removed the paper. I don't know what's going on with this one here. It's a lot of mess on that shadow. I don't know if it's set properly when they put it in, but it looks messy. All the other ones look good. So I'm gonna fold the mirror down. So this is our eyeshadow palette. I think this has a lot of pop to it. What you guys think? This is nice. So it says this palette here is valued at $40, guys. And it says attain a mesmerizing eye look with these 12 shadow eyeshadow palette. The Hearth eyeshadow palette features a rich, warm tones reminiscent of a cozy fireplace experience. Wow. Somebody was really working in advertisement writing this one. You have shades ranging from deep cocoa browns to fiery reds. And it captures the essence of warmth and comfort. perfect for creating a variety of looks. I would agree. These are very pretty colors. I can't wait to try this one out. This looks like this will be fun to play with. So, wow. That is nice. Yeah, I definitely like the shimmers. The shimmers are definitely calling me. And they have such cute names. Marshmallow, Aura, what is this one? Fire, Element, Amber. They have like little names and stuff on them. That is so cute. I like that. Okay, yeah, I might have to play with this. I like color. I like color. Need color. Okay, so we got our 5 products, guys. We have our eyeshadow palette, Hearth by Shantika. We have lip liners here by Bella Cosmetics. We have our Ofra mini lipstick sets. We have Zisa highlighter. And we also have our Zisa white eyeliner to try out for the month. So I think this was a really good box. I really like this one. What you guys think? I like this one. I can't wait to use a lot of this stuff in here. Like, this is like a really good one. If you haven't checked out this box, think about it. This box is fun. Like, I think this is taking you out of your comfort zone, and it gives you a lot of stuff to really play around with, get comfortable with color. This is definitely one of my favorites. Slowly have become my favorite. I love the different colors that come every month. This is a fun one for me. So guys, wrapping this video up, we gotta move on, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I would love to have you a part of my family over here on this channel. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm picking up in my subscription boxes, and I love sharing that with you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on my next video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.